Machine guarding at McIntosh is when we use a safety feature on or around manufacturing equipment consisting of a shield or device that covers hazardous areas of a machine to prevent contact with body parts or to control hazards like chips or sparks from exiting the machine. There are many potential hazards caused by moving parts or blades at McIntosh that can be reduced to a minimum with proper machine guarding. You should never operate a machine without its guard in place. In a decent case scenario, limbs could be lost due to faulty machine guarding, or worse, your life. Machine guards come in many forms, including fixed, which stay in one place at all times, or adjustable, which you can move to fit the point of operation. This packsaw can be very dangerous because of its size and elevation. To make it safe, there is expanded metal, a railing, and plexiglass to keep the operator distanced from the point of operation. There may also be covers or doors on machines that cover many dangerous components that you don't usually see when using the saw or machine. These covers are never to be removed without performing a proper lockout-tagout procedure beforehand. Some machines have guards that are not fixed, which move with the actual blade during operation. This limits exposure to risk, and you should always test the guard's operation cycle before turning on the saw. Always respect machine guards and understand that your safety comes first, even when you're in a hurry. If you have questions, talk with your supervisor.